Hello, this is Prince George Ford coming at you, and today we're looking at the 2024 Ford Escape Active. Coming in this nice carbonized gray color, and this vehicle is powered by a 1.5-liter EcoBoost engine, has all-wheel drive capabilities, and comes equipped with the cold weather package. Taking a look at the back here, we do get dual exhaust, backup camera, roof spoiler. We do get some silver and black accents on this vehicle with blind spot detection. We do get a remote start with this vehicle, which is perfect for those cold winter months. And that nice Ford grille. We do get a powered liftgate with this vehicle as well, where you can use it up there on the key fob or by the driver's side, which provides excellent cargo space in the back here. 12-volt hook. We do get the ability to collapse your last row for additional storage, and you do get your storage underneath with your spare tire. To close, all you have to do, hit that button right there, and we'll close automatically for you. Taking a look on the inside now, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice black cloth interior. The seats are adjustable with plenty of door space, carpeted interior, rear vents, 2 USB-Cs, and of course you can fold this down for cup holders and arm space. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we do have a power driver's seat with the same cloth interior we saw in the back there. Plenty of door space up front, liftgate, and lights all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer is sitting at 65,825 kilometers. We do get this nice leather-wrapped heated steering wheel, toggle-free screen, phone and media, volume, voice, and cruise control. Looking here, we do get a digital speedometer. You have your main menu, which has My View, trip and fuel, status info, vehicle maintenance, audio, phone, and other settings. To my right, we got our gear select, parking brake, auto hold, drive modes, auto stop, auto start, cup holders, storage with some outlets. You do get your center console as well with more storage, dual climate up front with the heated front seats, and that heated steering wheel, hazards, media controls, storage in the glove compartment, and your infotainment system that has a audio, compass, and phone. For your audio, you do get your AM, FM, Bluetooth, and SiriusXM. We got our phone controls. Any apps you may download will show over here with the Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Settings. And your features of the vehicle. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is B8121, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.